Imagine being able to attract the life you want just by using the power of your mind. Crazy, right? But there's a reason why millions of people swear by the law of attraction. And today, we're not just talking about what the law of attraction is. We're diving into why it works and how science actually supports it. Plus, I'll show you exactly how you can use it to create real change in your life. So if you're ready to tap into a powerful mindset that works with science to attract abundance, love, success, and more, keep watching. First, let's break down what the law of attraction actually is. At its core, the law of attraction is the idea that we attract into our lives whatever we focus on. It suggests that our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs are like magnets, drawing in experiences and outcomes that match that energy. So if you're constantly thinking about your goals, feeling positive, and believing in your success, you're more likely to attract success. On the flip side, if you're focused on fear or doubt, you may unintentionally pull those unwanted experiences toward you. Now, this all sounds great, but does science actually back this up? You might be surprised, but yes. Let's look at a few scientific principles that support the law of attraction. First up is neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity is the brain's amazing ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections. This means that if you keep repeating certain thoughts and beliefs, your brain actually creates pathways that make these thoughts feel more natural. If you repeatedly visualize success or abundance, your brain can literally rewire itself to make success feel like second nature. So every time you focus on positive outcomes, you're training your brain to make that your new normal. Next, we have the reticular activating system, or RAS. This is a part of your brain that acts as a filter, allowing certain information in and blocking out the rest. The RAS helps us focus on things that matter to us. Think about it. Have you ever learned a new word and suddenly started seeing it everywhere? That's your RAS in action. When you set an intention, like achieving a certain goal, your RAS helps you notice opportunities related to that goal. It's as if your brain is actively helping you find a path to achieve what you want. Mirror neurons are another fascinating scientific element. When we see someone else achieving their goals, succeeding, or being positive, our mirror neurons fire up and mimic that same experience in our own brains. That's why surrounding yourself with people who inspire and uplift you is so important. Your brain can actually start to believe that same success is possible for you. Now let's talk about energy. According to the law of vibration, everything in the universe is made up of energy, even our thoughts and emotions. High-energy thoughts like love, gratitude, and excitement have a higher frequency, while negative thoughts vibrate at a lower frequency. When you focus on positive, high-frequency thoughts, you align with positive experiences that vibrate at that same frequency. Science is now catching up with this idea, as quantum physics has shown that the observer effect actually changes the behavior of particles. In a similar way, our focus can affect the energy around us. So how can you start using the law of attraction backed by science? Here are 5 practical steps to get started. First, get clear on what you want. Visualize your goal in as much detail as possible. If it's financial abundance, imagine the specific amount, the feeling of security, and what that wealth would allow you to do. Visualization creates a mental blueprint, and with repeated focus, your brain's neuroplasticity starts to wire itself for this new reality. Now feel the emotions of already having achieved your goal. This is where science comes in with your RAS. When you feel emotions like excitement or gratitude for something you're visualizing, your RAS assumes this is already part of your life and helps filter in resources or people who can help make it happen. We all have beliefs that can hold us back, and it's essential to recognize and shift them. Think about beliefs like, I'm not good enough, or I don't deserve success. These are just stories we've told ourselves. Use positive affirmations to rewire these thoughts and make your new mindset one of possibility. Gratitude is a high vibration emotion, and regularly practicing it keeps your energy high. When you feel grateful, your brain releases feel-good chemicals like dopamine, reinforcing a positive state of mind that makes it easier to attract positive experiences. Finally, the law of attraction isn't about sitting back and waiting. Taking inspired action means using the opportunities your RAS filters in and moving towards your goals. Maybe it's networking, learning a new skill, or simply saying yes to new opportunities. Taking aligned action keeps momentum in your favor. To make the law of attraction a natural part of your life, create a daily routine around it. Here's a simple example. Morning. Start with gratitude and visualize your goals. Throughout the day, practice positive affirmations and look for small ways to take action. Evening. Reflect on any progress and express gratitude for it. This routine trains your mind, keeps your energy high, and reinforces your goals. Consistency is key. Before we wrap up, I want to introduce you to a powerful tool that can make practicing the law of attraction easier and more effective: the Manifest app. This app has everything you need to stay aligned with your goals, whether it's setting intentions, visualizing your dreams, or keeping a gratitude journal. With the Manifest app, you can make daily progress toward your dreams, track your goals, and even set up reminders to keep your vibrations high. So if you're ready to make the law of attraction part of your daily life, check out the link in the description to download the Manifest app and start manifesting today. Remember, you have the power to create your reality, and science is right there to support you. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with anyone who could benefit, and subscribe for more powerful insights on manifesting your best life. Keep focusing on what you want, stay grateful, and take action every day. See you in the next video, and until then, keep manifesting your dreams.